Also, for your safety, please keep your arms, legs, head, hands, and feet inside the train at all times. There is no eating or drinking while on board the train, and since the St. Louis Zoo is a tobacco-free and smoke-free campus, there's no smoking or use of any tobacco products whatsoever. While you're on St. Louis Zoo property, that goes for all forms of e-cigarettes, vaping products, and chewing products. As we leave Discovery Corner, on your right is the living room, home to Cafe Kudu, and the Treetop Gift Shop. As we cross the trestle, if you look to your right, you'll see the entrance to the Emerson Children's Zoo, which is now open. On the left is the Bear Insectarium, which is also open, but the butterfly dome is not. But you can still walk through the pollinator garden and see how spiders and insects help keep our planet healthy. If you look up to your right as we go around the corner here, you'll see some of the ghosts up on Billy Goat Hill from our children's petting zoo. Side of the River's Edge exhibit. In the River's Edge exhibit, you can see our herd of Asian elephants. Our herd consists of Raja, our 27-year-old male elephant, and a multi-generational group of females, including his 3 daughters. Once we get past some of this ivy, you can look through the fence on your right and see some of the other animals in our children's zoo. And the large building on the left is the elephant management facility, where our staff take care of these magnificent animals. Going through Elephant Woods, a very special and unique habitat for our herd of Asian elephants that only you, the passengers of the Emerson Zooline Railroad, are privileged enough to see. That is Mr. Raja there, heading inside. I guess he's tired of being outside by himself, so he wants to go in and at least look at the females, because he is a very solitary animal, and they have to keep him separated from the girls. As we continue our 1.5-mile journey around the zoo, you can continue your safari with a riverside walk through 4 continents, where you can see the painted dogs, the hyenas, the cheetahs, the Andean bear, the Malaysian sun bear, the black rhinoceros, and the underwater habitat of our hippos. This building also houses the Institute for Conservation Medicine, Zoo Animal Research, and the Veterinary Hospital here at the St. Louis Zoo, where we not only care for our animals, we work with wildlife experts all over the world to help sick and injured animals out in the wild. The next station we will be entering is the River's Edge Station. From here you can access South Entry Plaza, Ranger Base, Lost and Found, Safari Gift Shop, River Camp Cafe, and the entrance to the River's Edge exhibit. If you're remaining on board, please remain seated. If you're exiting, please wait for the train to come to a complete stop. Once again, thank you for riding the Emerson Zooline Railroad, and for your safety, the safety of all those around you. And the safety of all our animals here at the zoo, please keep your mask up at all times while you're riding the train. And please practice social distancing all the while you're in and on St. Louis Zoo property. You may now exit the train at the River's Edge Station if this is your destination.
Oh, it's a bump skirt. Right. Budget, yeah. Is it here in town? No, it's online. Ordered it online. Okay, it's so cute. Thank you. Thank you.
And I'll go to the same place.
Sounds good. Oh, the carousel.
All right.